Chapter 46. Willpower. Irava. Nikolai is standing now. But then, so is much of the court, and some look to have already fled, whatever they think is going on. Valter's arguing with Toravan's guards, not all of whom have Nikolai's threads, and maybe Nikolai is spreading himself thin. Can I even hope that? Two of the guards start around the room toward Nikolai, but the two who still have Nikolai's threads attached go after them, pulling them back. And Nikolai's weaving in Toravan is growing stronger again. Stronger even than before, pulsing with malice. I see Toravan draining from his own eyes. Watch the rage returning and the contempt. I know it's not him. I know. But the contempt makes my own soul shiver, because it's what I've feared, isn't it? That when he learns how deeply I've deceived him, he'll look at me like this. We're still locked together, my hands gripping his face, his hands gripping my arms, his fingers slowly digging deeper, hard enough to bruise. I want to sob, because I truly don't know what more to do. I tried. I've already given my last effort. I'm giving Toravan everything. I'm giving him all of my will, everything I don't also need to live. I disrupted Nikolai's will once by kissing Toravan, but I'm losing him again. Should I kiss him again? Do I just need to keep on kissing him? But I know that's not the answer. Nikolai will only find a way to use our distraction against us, like he's doing with the guards. He's too strong, and I don't know enough. I'm failing. I'm failing my king, watching who he is ebb away from me as I stare into his eyes, and he curls his lip, sneering at me, like he doesn't know me. Or like he does, and he despises me. But he hasn't let go of my arms. He hasn't yet let go. I hear Master Aldrich yell, "Nikolai, you are dismissed from the court mage candidates. Leave this room at once." I spare a glance to see Nikolai giving him a disdainful glare. He sends another weaving toward Master Aldrich, who seems to already be fighting off a weaker weaving, and that's why I've had no help there. Then Nikolai turns and throws another weaving, a very complex one, weaving itself larger and denser along the way toward me. If he's sunk as deeply as he is into Toravan's soul, then he has to know I've given Toravan as much of my will as I can. And maybe that's why he hasn't attacked me before, why he's tried to use the guards. He was waiting for me to drain myself. I barely have enough time to yank back my will from Toravan, struggling to root myself, center myself in the room around me. I'm still in Toravan's grip, which is shaken by the sudden absence of my willpower, holding him together. But to help him, I must survive. I sink my roots deep in reality, as I know it, and in Toravan's will in front of me. Because it's still there. I know it's still there. Nikolai's dark weaving hits me like ice scraping at my soul. Unseen blades scrabbling for purchase. And as it finds it, as I feel my soul crushing under the weight of his dark willpower, I know that the weaving he sent to Toravan wasn't trying to kill Toravan, but control him. Because if you control the king, You control the kingdom. And now I know the difference, because Nikolai is definitely trying to kill me.